What is corporate strategy? A course of action or choice of alternatives, specifying the resources required to achieve certain stated objective. Second, what is SBU? Strategic Business Unit. A division of an organization that enable managers to have better control over the resources. TQM, Total Quality Management, was initially applied in Japan. How often should strategic management activities be performed? It should be performed continuously. What is Six Sigma risk return level? Medium or high? Medium high is risk return level of Six Sigma. Which S is not part of McKinsey 7S framework? Synergy. Synergy is not part of McKinsey 7S framework. Next, under BCG growth share matrix, low share, high growth businesses or products are called question marks. ENSOF matrix. ENSOF matrix is useful for joining a business's marketing strategy with general strategic direction. Which category of benchmarking involves multi-site comparison of process and performance? Internal as well as generic benchmarking involves multi-site comparison of process and performances. Which of the following answer to the question? Where does the organization aspire to be in the future? It is vision statement. Vision statement shows where the organization aspire to be in future. Which of the following is a force in Porter's 5 forces model of industry attractiveness? Bargaining power of suppliers. BPR approach do not include scrapping any process line over 2 years old and starting again from scratch. What does cash cow symbolize in BCG matrix? Profitability. What are focus strategy? Focus strategy is where a company chooses to concentrate on only one market segment or a limited range of segments. The BCG matrix is based on industry growth and market share. Which of these characteristics of matrix structure? Decentralization and coordination are characteristics of matrix structure. Which is the term used in ENSOF's matrix for increasing market share with existing products in existing markets? Market penetration. Successful differentiation strategy allows company to gain buyers' loyalty to its brands. What are enduring statements of purpose that distinguish one business from other similar firms? It is mission statements. Typically, profits are highest in which stage of industry life cycle? Growth. Growth stage of industry life cycle, the profits are highest. Blue ocean strategy is concerned with creating new marketplaces where there is no competition. The product market matrix comprising strategies of penetration, market development, product development, and diversification was first formulated by ENSOF. Which of the following market structure would be commonly identified with FMCG products? Monopolistic competition is a market structure which would be commonly identified with FMCG products. Directional policy matrix is same as the 9-cell GE matrix. Outsourcing. Outsourcing is the purchase of a value creating activity from an external supplier. The existence of price wars in airline industry in India indicates that competitive rivalry in the industry is severe. What type of organizational structure do most small businesses follow? It is matrix structure. Which section of the SWOT matrix involves matching internal strengths with external opportunities? The SOC. Next, what can be defined as the art and science of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross-functional decisions that enable an organization to achieve its objectives? Strategic management is the answer. The emphasis on product design is very high. The intensity of competition is low. and market growth rate is low in the introduction stage of industry life cycle. The most probable time to pursue a harvest strategy is in a situation of decline in market life cycle. Vertical integration may be beneficial when lower transaction costs and improved coordination are vital and achievable. Conglomerate diversification is another name for unrelated diversification. Unrelated diversification and conglomerate diversification is same. When two organizations combine to increase their strength and financial gain, it is called merger. Financial objectives involves growth in revenues, higher dividends, greater return on investment, but it does not include larger market share. Which of these basic questions should a vision statement answer? The basic question which a vision statement should answer is where we are to go. A firm successfully implementing a differentiation strategy would expect to charge premium prices. The concept of core competence has been advocated by C.K. Prahlad and Gary Hamel. Which of the following can be said to be the strategy followed in TOE's approach? Defensive strategy is followed in TOE's approach. Porter's generic strategies include cost leadership, differentiation, and focus. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more lecture.